In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Shopify. Begin by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to Marketing, then Campaigns. Click Create Campaign to start a new email project. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign type, so select Shopify Email to use the built-in editor and templates that are already optimized for Shopify stores. Once you're in Shopify Email, pick a template that fits the tone of your newsletter. There are general templates and some designed specifically for newsletters. Choose one that matches your brand layout and that supports the content blocks you plan to use. Templates save time and ensure consistent styling across devices. Now it's time to design your email. Replace placeholder text with your own messaging, keeping headlines short and focused. Add your logo at the top for clear brand recognition and include a hero image that represents the main theme or promotion. When inserting images, use high-quality files sized for web to avoid slow load times, and always add descriptive alt text so recipients understand the image if it doesn't load. Customize the body copy with concise sections that guide readers toward action. If your store has several products, link images or product names to their product pages so customers can click directly through. Use the editor to add product links, and remember to preview how these links look so they don't break. If you have an AI tool available in the editor, use it to generate content ideas or subject line options. AI can help with tone, suggest concise copy variations, or provide taglines. Treat AI suggestions as a starting point and edit them to match your brand voice. Include clear call-to-action buttons, like a Shop Now button, and link each button to a specific product or collection page. Make the buttons large enough to tap on mobile and use color that stands out from the rest of the email for visibility. Before sending, configure your email settings. Write a subject line that is short, benefit-driven, and avoids spammy language. Add preview text that complements the subject and attracts opens. Set the sender email so recipients recognize your brand. Using a consistent sender name improves open rates. Choose who will receive the email by selecting your audience segment. You can send to all subscribers or narrow it to specific groups based on behavior or preferences. After assembling everything, use the test function to send a preview to yourself and check layout on desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, either send the newsletter immediately or schedule it for a time that aligns with your audience's engagement patterns. That's how you create and send a professional Shopify newsletter.